let me record this class. So what would be the next? So throughout the class, I am going to show you few examples on these commands like file manipulation utilities, SID, awk, and a few paste, join commands, and even grep. Grep is one of the text processing, and you can use tr to translate translate let's say I want to translate small letters to capital letters. I can use tr command, and I'm going to explain about a couple of word count t commands, things like that. And let's explore some how to get a previous command. We have a special characters, we can use those. And how to connect to a remote host, what command we are going to use, and how to transfer file from one host to another. These are the topics I want to cover this today. And I think we covered this tail, head, and less commands, right? Did we in
Yes,
previous
sir.
class? Okay.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
covered.
sir.
So, uh, I'll show the regular expressions, how we can use regular expressions in the any commands like sed or awk. You can use regular expressions for finding particular pattern of a text kind of thing. Uh, so let's start from file manipulation utilities. So who wants to volunteer today? Uh,
Yes, I will volunteer today.
okay, Mohan Reddy. I'm making you a presenter. Cool. Do you have a Linux machine up and running?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Try to maximize it, the window, and you can increase font also. Try to increase the font for just one value. Yeah, that's enough. Clear the
Yeah.
screen.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the command to clear?
Yeah.
Control L.
Control L.
Cool. So let's start with the sort command. Any guess what does sort do?
It's
Like order. It's
Yeah,
like organize. I mean,
yeah,
back to front or front to back.
yeah. If you want, if you have a text, which has numbers in it in a random order, you can and format entire text in a sequential manner or a reverse manner. You can use those as short commands. So try to create a file with some numbers, random numbers. Okay, cool. Exit, save and exit. W. How to save?
Just a second.
Escape WQ colon WQ.
Wait, just a second. I can't see my screen, so that it's
So
becoming tough.
don't use up arrows or down arrows. This guy's like page up, page down in VI editor. Just use up arrows or commands like escape and W.
What it's saying?
So escape colon do colon escape colon WQ. Enter.
Exclamation.
You cannot open file to write. Okay. So can you escape Q? Can you do escape Q? Colon Q. Yeah. Enter. Yeah. So where exactly you created this file? You should not be in root, right?
It's not in the root side. It's my
Okay.
user.
Can you do PWD?
The root.
You're in root directory.
Root.
Can you CD? Can you do CD? Yes. Okay. Just do CD. Enter. Yeah. Do PWD. Now you will be in your home directory. Okay. You can
Yeah.
create file here. Just create a file. Remove those. You can use double DD. Okay. Go to insert mode. Yeah, save it. Save it. Escape colon W. Can you exit from full screen mode, or you are facing that issue here? I think you are in full screen mode or something. Okay. Just maximize it. That would be okay. Yeah, that would be fine. So if you do sort, Mohan, what did it give?
Yeah, I gave Sat Mohan, and it showed me the ascending order,
Okay, but
but it didn't work.
it only picked the first letter. You can see, right?
Yeah.
1, 3, 4, 5. Just took the reference of one letter. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is in that sequence, but it is not taking the 3-digit or 4-digit.
The whole number.
Yeah,
It's not taking the whole number.
it's not taking the full number. Okay, so if you use sort -n and do the file name.
Which one, sir?
File name, yeah, Mohan. Just give the file name. Enter. See, it is a numerical order. Okay, and it will give you sorted.
The whole.
Yeah,
Okay.
numerical order. And what else you can do? You try to use -r. Reverse manner.
Yeah, it's in listening order.
Yeah. Use -rn. -rn. Yeah. Enter. See, you're getting right.
Yes, sir.
So you can sort things in numerical order. Let's say if you want to reverse the text also, you can use -r option. This is how we can use a sort command. Everyone clear?
I think we can use the sort command in alphabetical order also.
Yes, you can even use for alphabetical test also. So
Okay.
if you want to try, you can do that. Just open a file and remove the entire text. Yeah. Even if you have a ls command output, you want to make it as a human readable, you can do you have a -h option when you do sort also. So things like that. So it has a lot of flexibility.
So if I have a small note, like
Yeah, tell me.
if you type some more text like just before numerical order, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, like it's 4,700 we written, right? If you write hi, how are you, then how will it take like The
Take
first letter,
first
or
letter.
it will take.
It will take first letter.
Okay, okay.
Try
Yeah.
that. Try to sort it. See, it just took the first letter. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
cool. Let's go to the next command. It's called unique. Okay, I try to have a open the previous file and have some duplicate numbers. So yeah, have
It has
some.
some duplicate.
You have already duplicate number, right? So
Yeah,
go
yeah.
exit from here. So in here, I want to remove the duplicates, and I want to get only the unique. In no, I don't want any repetition. So then I can use unique command.
Unique command. Okay.
Okay. So use unique and file name. Enter. You're not able to get right.
Yeah.
So try to clear the screen once. Clear the screen and do cat file name, and pipe symbol. Don't press enter. Try to clear the screen. Cat file name. Do you guys know pipe symbol? It's on top of enter. Yeah. The main purpose of the pipe symbol is to send output of one command to
To
another
another.
command. Okay. Now,
It's like R command.
yeah, it creates a pipe between two commands, and it will send input from one command to another command.
Another command.
Okay. The cat Mohan will just view the content, right? So
Yes.
if you do unique, we are trying to get unique values out of cat. No need of Mohan here. You're giving already the input, right, to unique. Enter. It should work. What happened? Mm, so why it's not working? Uh,
Sir, it worked for me.
yeah, I don't know. It's not picking the spaces or what. Try to remove the spaces.
No, absolutely.
Okay,
Yes,
even
sir,
if
good,
you
sir.
have spaces also, it's working, right? So it should
Yeah.
work. But I don't know why. Try to remove the spaces and so try to give a U option in front of unique. Do unique Mohan and give U option. Hyphen U in front of Mohan. In front of Mohan. Still, it's showing the same thing.
But it's still the same.
Yeah, but I don't know why it's showing. If you see, we have option like hyphen D also. It will print only duplicate. Let's try D. Unique hyphen D hyphen capital D hyphen capital D and the file name. Enter.
It still we have some more duplicates, but it's showing only some.
Only if you. Yeah. Okay. Uh, let's see. I don't know why in your system it's not working. It should work when even if you give the pipe, it should work. Even if you use directly unique command, it should work. So uh, try hyphen C unique hyphen C and file name. No space.
There is space between. Okay.
Yeah. See, it just gave you count of number of repetitions.
The repeated ones.
Yeah, it gave you repetitions. And use a small d. small d instead of capital D, just small d. Still, it's giving 7 only. It's
Again,
giving 7 as a duplicate
yeah.
value. Okay. So everyone, others are able to execute, right? This command in your local.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Then let's go to other command. But you can it will work. Try to uninstall this package and try it. After the class. Okay. If you're not able to do.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So
Yeah.
uh,
Okay. I will try. I will try.
yeah. Let's go to the next command called paste. What does paste do? Any guess? Pasting, paste. It terms itself, well, right? If you have if you want to merge two files, you can merge. Okay. So let's say I have you need to have same number of columns. Okay. Let's open file one something. Open a file. Clear the screen. Okay. Open a file.
Can I merge two files like Mohan and you both?
Yeah,
So
try doing so. Paste both files. Those two files doesn't have a common column, right? Number
no,
of
no.
columns. Just try. What's there in? Just give it a try. Enter. See,
Yep.
it
It
merged.
works.
It merged, but you have the empty lines. That's it.
Up to the same count of lines. It
Yeah,
merged.
yeah. So you can save this output in one file and you can use it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how to redirect the output. Yeah, that's it. If you cat that file, you can see the output. So you can use, it depends on your application. You can use the paste command. So similarly, we have a command called join. For join, try join on the same command, same files to join. Remove, remove new.
I will write.
Yeah,
I'll write the output to some other file.
yeah.
So it will be easy.
See, you can't merge these two, but why? Because it should have a same column. Uh, let's say I have a student information like student roll number and math subject marks, student roll number, science subject marks. I want to combine both. Then
Okay.
I
Then
can,
number of rows in two files should be equal, right?
yeah, two files should be equal, and you should have a common column. Like one roll numbers is a common column, right?
Yeah.
So you should have a common column. Try to open a new file and test it. Like one, yeah, B, C. Give a value to A, something like that. Value for A, get some space. Use space instead of equals. Space, space one. Enter B space.
Okay.
You missed B. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No problem. So
No
let it
problem.
be.
Yeah, you'll do C. Some marks. Okay, like this. Yeah, save it. So open a new file. Give it one. Sorry, A, right? A
Yeah.
and some other values.
Yep. Like I'll start from the back. Z.
No, no, no. You should have a common column. I said, right? First column should be equal in both files.
Okay. Then A.
A
Okay.
space some other values. Give some values. Any values. Yeah. Enter. C. Any values. Yeah. Until what you had written, I just do that.
I think I have written up to F or G something.
Yeah. Do that. check it.
Yeah,
Save it and check that file once. Cat A.
yeah, it's up to
Yeah,
G.
G. Okay. Remove the last line. The space. Last line. No, no, not G. Escape U. Escape U. Undo it. Yeah. Uh, come after 6. You have a blank line. Yeah. Remove the blank. Yeah. That's it. Save it. Just do join A B. A space B. Join A please.
Can I route the output to some other thing?
Yeah. Just view the output. Yeah. No problem. You can route. Cat it.
Yep, here is output,
Yeah.
sir.
This is how you can join couple of two files which has a common column, common tables. Okay. And so everyone clear with all these commands: sort, unique, paste, join, and uh, join commands.
Yes.
Okay. So let's go with a little complex command. Clear the screen, my
So
friend.
I think Signer has a small doubt.
Who's this? Sign up. Sign up. We can't hear you properly. Sign up. Okay. You can type in chat box if you have. Like we're getting a lot of echo from your side. Not from Sainad. Everyone else, can you mute yourself? Apart from Mohan Reddy, caller one, who is this? I'll just mute him. Yeah. So Sainad, yeah, tell me what you have. Hello. Now I can hear you. No, 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 no. We can talk later then. I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Let me continue the class. Okay.
Sir, I have a small doubt. Like, if both the colors are in the side by side, does it create any problem? Or
I think so. Maybe I never had
he's
an
beside
issue.
me, so
Okay, okay. He can talk in your mic, right?
yeah, he can talk in my.
Sir, like, so when we are using the joints,
Uh-huh.
so which joint it is doing now? Like, so there are so many different joints, right? So which joint it does? Like, it does the
Uh, it does. It just
like
keep
left
the.
joint, right joint. There are so many different
Okay,
joints
okay.
when we
You're
are using.
talking in terms of database level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just taking one reference point, like a common column. Try doing in left right joint also. If you try, maybe it may successful. I'm not
Oh,
sure.
okay.
Give a try.
Mm-hmm.
When you in
Yeah. Okay,
database,
sir. I
you'll
will
try.
do it.
We'll have those joints, right? Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, give a try. If not, let.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Mohan, sir.
Okay. So, what would the next? Yeah, let's try to explore about SID. SID is one of the text processing command. Let's say I have a big log file. In my log file, I have multiple, not log file, a big configuration file. I'm just,
Actually, by using said, we can replace some,
yeah,
I
that's what
mean,
I'm
some
saying.
content.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See,
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
okay.
trying to give an example. So I have a big host list which has multiple server lists. I just want to let's say one of the server got down, and I want to remove the host name and replace with a new IP address. At that moment, I can use a SID command and replace the occurrence. Let's say IPA. I want to replace IPA with IPB. I can do that using SID command. SID is damn lot of it is very powerful. Uh, you can do the changes globally. Globally means and in entire file you can replace a particular pattern of text. If you want to do only once, you can do that, or else if you want to do in a particular number of lines, let's say I have hundreds of lines, I want to replace only text that is in first two lines with some other pattern, I can replace using SID command. Okay, so let's try to explore it. So um,
So in this file new 4 we have many twos, right? So we can replace 2 with some other number.
yeah, you can replace.
So I think it's better best.
Okay, just do SID. Use S. No, not like that.
Side.
S slash. No space, please. S slash. Number. Give the number. Oh, you want to replace 2 with uh, which number?
It may be some like 0.
Yeah, 0 slash slash G. G is nothing but global.
Yeah.
In
The
entire
file name.
file. Yeah, you give the file name. Enter.
I think there should be some.
Nothing. You just try this. See, you're able
Okay.
to.
No need of any double quotation, sir.
No need of right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let's say I want to replace only on first two lines. Let's try that. Do clear the screen once. Do SID 1 comma 2. Substitute no space, please. S slash 2 slash 0.
So we have 0.
No, okay, okay. No, you just tried that, right? You want to replace 2 with 0.
Okay.
0 and slash G
Plus 0.
and give the file name. See, it just replace the 2 in first two lines, 1 and 2 lines. You can control like how many number of lines you want to do the text replacement. You can control that. You understood that?
I have a
Yes.
question.
Yeah, tell me.
So will this modification be saved to new 4 or
No, it will not be saved. It will may not be saved. If you want to save it, you need to use option called -I. So can you do up arrow and go in front of 1 and give the -I. Enter. Can you catch it? See, it just
Yeah,
saved.
now it's saved, sir.
So -I will save the thing like whatever change you want. It will directly save in the particular file.
so can we see this command as at first is just we need to if we want to see how it looks like if we change ones with zeros or twos with zero, how it look like. To see that we use just cd command, and after that if we want to save then we have to
You
use
can use
-I.
-I.
Yes, sir.
Got it. So shall we try one more example? I'll give you
Sir,
one.
just a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so is this a change a permanent one or temporary one?
If you do -I, it will be saved permanently.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll give you an application where let's say I have a log file. I want to comment first two lines. Anyone know what is the character that we use to comment a line in shell script?
Yeah.
Hash?
It's
Mine
hash.
see.
Yeah, we'll use hash, right? I want to,
Yes.
I want to comment first two lines. We can use sit command here. Do up arrow once again, one more time, please. Yeah, in here, I want to substitute, start my line with hash, right? It's nothing but commenting, right? I can use a special character called cap. Do cap
Version.
in place of two. Remove the two and uh, two. Yeah, remove the two. I want to start in first two lines with hash. So in order to start, you can use cap symbol. Cap. Yeah. You want to replace with hash, right? Do hash. Hash. Yeah. Enter. See, it just replaced the first two lines with hash. Now I'm able to comment those two lines. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you want to do in the end of the line, you can use a dollar symbol instead of cap. Do up arrow and do dollar symbol. See, it will replace the end of the line. Okay, dollar slash and the hash command, hash or any script,
Okay.
give any string. Yeah. See,
Okay.
it just replace the end of the line. So these are the two special characters, to find the, let's say, to get the start of the line or end of the line, you can use cap or dollar symbol. Okay.
Okay.
This so I clear with Sid.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
As we made it as a comments with the hash symbol, can we
Uh-huh.
write something also that these lines are not
Yes,
required or
of course. You can write it. You just need to give the pattern that you want to replace, and you can save it using hyphen A option. Hello?
yes, sir.
Yeah, I have a lot of disturbance. Okay,
Sorry,
no problem.
sorry.
Okay, so you can do that. No issues. You just need to decide what pattern need to be replaced and where exactly. Like let's say first two lines or first 10 lines. You just need to know that, and you can replace it. Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Let's go to other command called awk. Okay. Awk is also very,
AWK.
yeah, awk. It is very powerful. You can write programs also using awk command. It will use you can use this command to tailor your output. Let's say do ls hyphen al, do hyphen al. Yeah, in here you're getting multiple section, right? First you're getting permissions, users, month, date, and file name. So
Yes.
in every section you have a field separator is nothing but the space is separating each section, right? You
Yes.
Yes.
understood? In here I just want to print first section. You can use awk, do awk, the single quote, and inside the quotes use flower brackets, and print space $1, and close the quotes, and close the brackets and quotes. Yeah, and give the file name. Give the, let's say, okay. Instead of giving file name, go to the starting of the line. Do ls hyphen l and give the pipe symbol. So don't enter it. Tell me what I'm trying to do here. Anyone? What I am trying to do?
We are moving the
You
output which is in the minus L to awk.
Yeah, I'm giving the
You're feeding the output.
I'm feeding the output of ls hyphen l to awk command. Okay, do enter. please. See, I'm able to get the first uh, portion of a particular text or something. So you can give any number. Let's say give dollar six. Yeah. See, it gave me the sixth position text. In this way, you can tailor the text. And let's say, mm, let me give you one more example. Let's say I want to print first. I want the permissions and file name. How we can do? Let me know. Permissions and file name in ls command.
Like one comma.
$6, $1, $6, like that.
It's not six, I believe. It's something around 7, 8, 9. So dollar one comma dollar nine. Try that. $1 comma $9 and give $9. Give the semicolon after the 9. Yeah, semicolon. Like not that one. This. Yeah. Enter. See, I'm just getting the permissions with respect to file. This how you can get any position of a particular text. Uh, Here I'm having space as a field separator, but
These dollars are the variables, right, sir?
yeah, variable it's a position. $1 is the first positioning of the text spaces. Okay,
Okay.
so let's create a file once again with a different field separator. So open a file.
Just created one or
Create
new
a
one?
create a new file. Yeah, open a file. And give 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, like that. Use a comma as a field separator and have some text. Yeah, 2 comma 3 comma. Don't. Yeah, yeah, I'd like that. Enter. So here the field separate would be comma, and uh, you had some 1 comma 2 after 5. You know that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you can save this. This is okay. You can. So instead of giving the output using the pipe, let's give this file name. Okay, and my field separator is comma here. So do awk awk hyphen capital F and quotes, double quotes.
No
No
space, no.
space, no space, and give comma and the quotes and space. Give the single quotes and print $1. No, you need to have that flower braces and print $1.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Print. You forgot print statement. Print space $1 and give the file name. C, right? Yeah, enter.
Yeah.
See, you're getting the respect to first field. So
First field, yeah.
you can have any field separator instead of comma. Let's say I have a list of IP address. In IP address, what would be the field separator? Dot, right? 10 dot.
Dot, yeah.
Yeah, I can replace dot and as a field separator and get the last subnet values kind of thing. Okay, you can use
Okay.
in that way awk command. So we are everyone clear with awk command? It has a lot of options. I'm giving you basic and the day-to-day examples. But if you dig deep, you can write a program. You can use for loops in awk command. Okay, it's like a programming language. You can learn awk awk and sid has a separate textbook. If you're interested to learn that much programmatically, you can control the text files. Okay, so let's go to another command called grep. Okay, grep is also one of the text processing command, wherein if you want to find whether a particular pattern is existing in a file, it will just print the output. Like, let's say grep1 and give the C file. Enter. See, it just printed a line which contains 1. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Or else, what would be the best? Try to use 2. You have 2 numbers, right? 2. 2. Enter. See, you're getting the lines which has respective text or number, anything. So this is how you can find particular text in a file. Yeah, and you can use options like insensitive -i for let's say uh, uh, if capital letters or case sensitive kind of text. You can use -i and give the string that you want to search, and you can search it. And what else? You can even write a regular expression like let's say I have a pattern. um, Try to open a file, new file. Give RA space REA, enter RAJ, enter RAJK, enter, like that. Use RA as in common. Yeah, yeah. So here I can use RA star actually. So save it. So I want to search RA pattern. So you can use try to remove the no, that file name is different, right?
Yeah.
Remove the I option also. And after RA, place star. No space. Star. Yeah, space, file name. Star gives you all characters. Okay, it's nothing but all elements which has a particular pattern. You understood?
Yes.
So let me show you, like touch, do touch some a.txt, b.txt, c.txt, a.txt, b.txt,
PHP, sir.
txt, or any format like doc or text form, any spelling, space, no comma, space, b.txt, txt, txt, give txt. We are trying to find all the txt files. Okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
enter. So do ls pipe and grep star.txt. Enter. What happened?
Maybe you have to view.
Let me try on my PC. So give instead of ls, give grep command itself. Why? Let me try once more. Star represents all the files. Okay, we can use this special character. ls some grep. So instead of grep, do ls star.txt.
That we can do, sir.
Yeah, it will give the
Only
respect
TXT files.
all the txt files. But why grep is not working? We can give the ls output and get those files by using grep. Get the all star.txt outputs. Let me do sudo.
Yes, I can tell you.
You're in home directory only, right? It will not asking. It
Yeah,
is not asking any permission related issues or something.
nothing it's asking.
Do up arrow. Do grep star.exe. Grep star.txt and use space dot
Which one, sir?
dot give
Sorry,
dot
I can't.
give
Okay,
dot. That's it. Enter
okay, okay.
present directory.
Is it director?
Yeah, I'm trying to give the path of the where exactly I want to find. So let me do that. Let's pass pwd output to grep command. Still, it's not working. Okay, let's leave it then. I'll give you one more example then. I will try to solve this thing and let's go to the other command then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So tr is nothing but translator. Okay. Tr command. Okay.
Okay.
Tr. Let's say I have a text and I want to replace all A's with B. You can use tr. Let's have a file, man. Like, I think we already have file, right?
Yes, sir.
So cat1 file, cat1 file, whatever file you created, cat it. Let's try to translate the text in that file. So in here, I want to translate
We'll translate H.
H, yeah, H with some number or something. tr H and give some number one and give the file name. So do cat n and pipe symbol. Cat new name new and pipe tr h 2 and 1. Enter. Did it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm just redirecting the output of cat to tr command and
Yeah, it's same like TR and the sed. Because sed
yeah,
also, that said we can replace anything in the whole file or
yeah.
limited file. I mean limited
But
lines.
it has a lot of options here. Translator has a lot of options like you can replace spaces. Let's say you have spaces with tab. You can replace. Let's say open a file. You have a file, right, which has comma in between.
Yeah,
Yeah. Now, cd is also cd
yeah,
is more powerful than tr. It has a lot of options, but yeah, I would say similar. So let's try one more example. So the open the file which has comma separated values. Yeah, this one.
yes, sir.
Instead of comma, let's keep spaces. So cat, this guy name is C and pipe and use tr and instead of comma do double quotes, single quote of comma, single quote comma comma, yeah, and give this thing square brackets, square brackets, and colon space, colon, not dash, colon. Co- how can I say?
Yeah, yeah, got it. Yeah.
Colon, not that one. Do shift colon. Yeah. Colon space spelling. SPAC colon and close the bracket. Yeah, enter. It's a special syntax wherein you can replace it. Uh, so why it's not replacing the comma? Uh, we use the proper syntax, right?
Yeah. So,
Do double quotes instead of single quotes in comma in place of comma. Double quotes. Enter. Still.
Sir, are we trying to insert colons in
No.
instead of commas?
Instead of comma, we are trying to replace space.
Space. Sir, but it is saying some extra operand C. We should have a look at that one.
Yeah.
Why it is saying?
Yeah. Okay. Let me try in my PC.
Sir, it worked. I mean, one syntax worked for me.
Oh, what
so it
was
worked,
that?
sir. Sir,
What was that?
so
Yeah,
it worked
it's
like without using all the syntaxes, just
Okay.
replacing
yeah,
comma with hyphen.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Without quotes, it was working, right? Okay.
Yeah.
No, it worked for me with quotes. Simple. TR space in single colon. I mean, in single quotes, we are replacing colon with space.
Okay. You're giving even the space in single quotes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
What we want to be replaced in single quotes.
Even the comma also, I believe. Two comma also.
Yeah.
Up arrow. Do comma. In comma, not there. You're doing again the wrong.
Or
You just need to use single quotes everywhere. No double quotes. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Try it. Yeah. Try this. Enter. Enter. Do enter. That's it. It's still okay. This space syntax is not working or something like that. Okay. Instead of that space, sorry, the square brackets, give just space. Give just space. Remove the entire thing, even the line. Yeah. Just give the space. Yeah. Enter.
yeah, now
Okay.
it's working.
Okay.
Yeah. Simple. And
Yeah. I'll explain you this syntax like spaces. We have some special syntax for spaces, tabs, and all. We can use as a regular expression. So I tried that, but it was not working with TR. So let's I'll give you in coming classes. I'll give you the example for regular expressions. So let's go to the another command called T. What are the redirecting symbols? How can we redirect output?
For by using greater
The
than,
arrows greater than,
Yeah, instead of
greater than, double greater than.
yeah,
and also we can use T.
yeah. So instead of using greater than symbol, we can use command called t. Try doing that, my. Uh, yeah, you can just t to a new file name, any file name. Give a file name. If you cat e,
That it's
are you clear, everyone, with the t command?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So you can use t to redirect the output. Okay, you can. So
Can we hide this display? Means cat C, TR, and all TEE. First time it is getting displayed. If we don't want the display,
uh,
when I want display only when cat key is used. Otherwise, I don't want this.
okay.
Is there any option?
Can you use? I believe it'll print the text and it'll save into a file. I
no,
don't
sir.
think it.
Sometimes it won't print. It will redirect to directly to another folder or file.
No,
Like
I don't think so. Give a try once again. If you use another command like ls something, ls hyphen l, and use t command. See, it is
okay.
printing the output and then saving into a file. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's about t command. Let's see the word count. WC. Okay, you don't want to save you can use that operator to, yeah.
Now it's working, sir.
Yeah,
Using 200 greater than
yeah. It's
we can get.
it's a standard output, standard error. There is some theory in behind $2 symbols. It's a standard output, standard error kind of thing. I'll explain you in coming slides. Let's don't confuse about this thing. But
Yeah,
uh,
sorry, sir.
yeah, it's a one way to not print the output. It will use a temporary location, and you can make that output. You can compile it, and you can stop printing the output using redirecting out using this standard output and standard error syntax. I will give you a brief explanation about this symbol. So let's go to the next command called WC. WC,
Count
uh,
the number of lines.
yeah, it will give you the count of the lines. So when you do WC a particular file, do any WC a particular file. So it will give you some numbers, right? It's nothing but number of lines, words, and characters. Okay. Uh, so do WC hyphen L and give the name. See, it just give you how many lines does the new file have. If you see WC hyphen C, C is nothing but count, and let's say you want the words, you can use W. Yeah, enter. So you can get the words, count, and lines of a particular file. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
So let's go with uh, so in etc we have a file. I said, right, we'll have all the configuration files. You'll have HC pass HC this thing sudo or file. In the same way, you have password related files also. Do password cat cat
No,
cat HC password PASSWD. Yeah, enter. See, you'll have password related configurations in HC HC password. This numbers are there, right? It is nothing but group ID and user ID. Okay, and in modern systems, you're going to have a file called HC shadow. Your password
Yeah, it
related,
shows all the passwords.
yeah, you'll have a file called HC shadow.
Password.
It has all the password related configurations like who are the users and what is the user IDs and group IDs of respect to user and things like that. So I just want to give you heads up, like in where exactly your system password related configurations are saved. It will be in shadow and password file in HC directory. Okay, and let's
Yeah.
try to connect to a remote host. So do you
We
have
are
any?
using SSH.
Yeah, do you have any?
SSH.
Yeah, do you have any server? Any?
Just a doubt.
Yeah. Who is this?
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah. What specifically does password and shadow has?
Uh, this pass.
Configuration files of
It's a what is the user and user group IDs and user ID and let's say if you have a uh, uh, you how can I say in our workspace we have a AS admin user. One user is there. User should have a common password in all the machines. So when we encrypt the password, we'll get a hash. It's a kind of encrypted. You can see, right? For Mohan, you have a
this is the
yeah.
encrypted password of my
You
up
can
here.
you can use that encrypted text, and if you have information like user ID and group ID, you can assign that particular password to a user. You can do all those configurations in HC shadow and HC password files. Are you clear? Like if you have any password related configuration, you can do in these two files. Okay. Even when you change a password of a particular user, that those configuration will be saved in this file. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let's try to use sh command. Yes. So anyone have a server ready? How can we try? Can you make me? I'll be the presenter for this.
Yeah, okay,
Let
sir.
me. So there is a command called SSH. It's nothing but secure shell connectivity, wherein you can connect to a particular remote host from your local. Okay.
Yes.
If you have the IP address of a specific machine, you can use the IP address and the username, and you can use a sh command to connect to particular host. Okay, let's try to create a server and connect to it. Let me uh, sign up. Let me sign in. Okay. Oh no, not this one. Okay, I need to sign up. Azure. So anyone are using this thing, AWS account for
No,
their Linux machines? No.
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 My my account has been expired, I believe. Let me try to create a Azure instance, maybe. Compute. Create. Uh, he's asking for subscription. I used to have a AWS account, but I couldn't. It was expired, and right now I am not able to create an instance. So let's
Only
no,
for 8 months.
yeah, no, yeah. I think I used it for about 1 year, and right now got expired. The free version got expired.
Yeah, they gave in our university they gave us the free version, but it's expired.
Okay, okay. So let me give you the syntax at least. If we have the server, we can try it. But see, SSH hyphen I, let's say user at the rate host name, you can do. This is how you can connect. If you have any specific key, you need to pass the key file to this a specific command, and you can use the username and IP address. I will create a instance and I'll show you this command tomorrow. We can
Okay.
connect to a remote host using sh command. So what else? Yeah, we can't try this too right now. The sh and scp we can't try. I just forgot that my AWS account has been expired. Let's try another command.
Okay, Ras, I have a one doubt.
Mhm. Tell me.
So in live environments, in which scenarios we use SSH key?
SSH key. Let's say you don't have any password. Instead of password, you can use a SSH key, and you can save that key in your local machine, and you
Okay,
can log in into that particular machine without any password. Okay, if you
okay,
have that
okay,
particular SSH key,
okay.
you can have a
Connect to the server, particular server.
passwordless connection between your virtual machine and local
Remote
server.
server.
Yeah.
We can
Okay,
connect a password correction also, so by using SSH, like SSH user at the rate of
Yeah,
IP
yeah.
address
He's asking
or
about
something. It will ask the password if it is having.
he's talking about SSH key, not the command actually. SSH key is a
Not,
different one.
yeah,
So when you do SSH command, you can pass the username and password.
IP address.
Yeah,
Okay,
instead of passing the password, you can have a SSH key in your local, and
okay,
you can connect without password. Okay.
okay, okay. So without having any
Yeah.
password, we can connect to the server.
Yeah. I'll show
Okay,
you those. Those are important. Like I couldn't
yeah, yeah.
create an instance now. I'll show you how
Okay.
to transfer files from local to
Local
a remote machine,
remote
and
server. Okay.
yeah, that would be helpful for you guys.
Yes.
So what all commands we left? Um, let's do some file compressing commands. Anyone want to volunteer? Just we'll use commands like zip, tar, and unzip commands to compress the files and transfer it as one single file. If you have a zip file, you can use it while doing SCP or to transfer from one server to another server. You will zip it and transfer it. So let's do this command. Anyone wants to volunteer? Srinivas, Srikant?
Yes, sir.
Let me make you presentation. So open a. Oh, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible. So create some files like A, B, C, and let's zip those files. You have a command called zip.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, zip.
zip and give the file names. Uh, are you able to do that?
No, sir.
Nothing to
No, no comma actually. No comma. Okay. And yeah, if you do ls star dot zip. Yeah, you got a dot uh, zip, right? Yeah. Enter.
Yes, sir.
uh, if you unzip it, do remove abc files, do rm a comma a space b space c. Okay, try to unzip this file. Let's say uzip unzip.
unzip.
Yeah, unzip a dot zip. No, a dot zip. You need to give the zip file name.
Okay, okay. Or else can I give in this way?
Yes, do yes. Why sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Why? It's one, you have all those files. It is asking whether you want to replace or not. So it zipped the files. You have all the contents. Instead of creating a name called a dot zip, you can give the name while passing zip itself.
Okay,
So
okay.
let's try that. Uh, so use zip and give the file names a space b space c, and give a zip
I
dot some file name dot zip space
okay.
file name, let's say uh, t dot zip. Okay. T dot zip. Enter. I think we need to give the file name well before starting. So do up arrow and remove the t dot zip and place in front of a. In front of a. Yeah. T dot. Enter.
Yeah, I entered.
So can you do ls now? ls.
Yes.
See, you have a t dot zip or not? Yeah, a zip file is created, right? You just need to
Yes,
give
sir.
the name before and what all files
Okay.
need to be zipped. Okay. In the
Okay.
same
Okay.
way, to
Yeah.
unzip it, you can use unzip command. Okay.
Okay.
And you have a very often you will use tar command. Uh, tar command. Okay. Tar is one of
Let
the,
me ask you a question, sir.
yeah.
So what are the files inside t.zip? How can we see?
Uh, like view, not to view the zip files, right? Mm, basically, when you can you do -l while doing unzip? do unzip -l and zip file name. It should give a list actually. Did you know you have B and C file in that
Yes, sir.
particular file.
Okay.
So you can list the files in inside the tar and get
Mm-hmm.
okay using -l
Yes.
option.
Okay.
So
So
let's
what exactly happened with that command? That we have zip, we have used a zip a b c t dot zip, right?
yeah.
In that command, what happened to a?
I
Because
think
it is not showing here.
A file is missing. You can see right when you
Yeah,
do ls, A file is not there.
I don't have a file in my system.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got it.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
So let's go with tar command. Let's see a few good examples. Um, so try to create a new directory, and inside the directory we can play with files. In this file, in this directory, you have a lot of files, right? Let's create a directory
Yes.
and go inside and create some files.
CDN.
Mm.
Okay, you have the
Yeah.
list of files, right? In here, I
Yes.
want to
Yeah.
tar n1, n2, n3. So you can use tar -c, do
R
space
hyphen C.
-c for creation, and V for verbose, F for file. Okay, do -cf, cvf, no space in between.
Okay.
We will give you the description like what all files are going to be tarred, and F is the file. Let's say we are giving file input to this tar command. Okay, so let's use star. Star is nothing but all files in directory, right? Do star and space. No, you need to have space. Take over. Yeah, and give the tar file name, any file name. Let's say uh, uh, new dot tar, n dot tar, something. Yeah, enter. Uh, what happened? Can you do ls?
LS.
Oh, okay. Here also we did the same problem. We need to give the name before star actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this what you are saying,
Yeah.
sir?
Yeah. Just enter. Yeah. Can you do ls?
Yeah.
See, it just created the tar file. So you
Mm-hmm.
need to specify the file name before and give the what all files need to be tar. Okay. So if you want
Okay.
to see what all files exist in this file, you can use tar hyphen t tvf or some do t yeah, t is enough. Give a new file name, new dot tar, enter. Should have try giving f also. Do up arrow and give f, enter. Yeah, it listed all the files in the tarball.
Yeah.
T is used to view the contents in a tarball. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
so you can zip contents in a file, and in order to unzip, you need to remove the slash in between, and you know you can use cvf directly. You got my point? Cvf,
Yes.
do
Okay.
cvf
CVF.
ta no tar cvf.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tar cvf, or else first remove the files, remove n1, n2, n3, rm,
RM.
rm n1, n2, n3, enter. Here do tar CVF and give the file name. File name is nothing but new.tar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, new data.
And give the location. Location is nothing but the present. You need to give the location is nothing but dot. Dot is nothing but the present directory. Okay, I want to
Okay.
untar these files in present directory. Enter.
Okay.
Enter. Can you do ls? Still not giving. What happened? It's not a ZZ file. Not to give Z option. You just need to use tar. Use a hyphen XVF instead of CVF.
XVF.
Hyphen XVF. Hyphen X.
Oh, sorry.
Enter. ls. Do ls now. It should. Can you go to your home directory and do ls? Is it moving those files to home directory or not? ls. No, right? You're not having the.
No, we are not finding those files.
What happened? Tar command is also not working. XVF should work actually. Do a tar hyphen XVF and file name.
Here or by moving to N?
Move to N. Tar command. Yeah, hyphen XVF. Yeah. XV hyphen give a hyphen XVF. Tar hyphen XVF and give the name, file name. Enter. Do up arrow space star space star space. No. After tar only, you just give the space star. Enter. Tar file is not working. What happened? Tar hyphen XVF should work. Let me give me 1 second. I'll cross check. Yeah. So do C. Oh, CZVF. One more option, guys. Do CZVF and
Do I have to remain hyphen?
Yeah, hyphen is okay. Yeah, CZVF. And we give CZ because if we have any tar.gz file, we'll use the Z. But do ls now. Do ls now. Do ls hyphen altr. Any permission related issue? Only read and write. We can't execute it. Can you change it? Yeah. Can you change it?
Yes.
We are able to execute it. I change it to 777. Do 777.
Give me a second.
R file बंद करो. sorry for this guys. It should work with the -xdf. It is taking. X is used to extract files from tar file. So instead of instead of hyphen, do only xvf and file name. Just give the xvf and file name. Yeah, remove the star also. Enter. Do ls. We have the file. Give the pwd.
Pardon?
Do the pwd command for present working directory and give the entire path. So when you do up arrow, double up arrows, and give the path space. Give the path like home slash Shivanand and slash n. Yeah, enter. Is it taking? Can you do ls now? If we don't have any content, maybe it's not working. I think we should have some content in files at least. Let's let's try to add some text in the file and try to unzip it.
Okay, do you have to create new files ABC?
Yeah, just create a new file and add some text. When I do, I'm able to execute. Man, I don't know why it's not working. Let me show you my screen. Let me show you. See in here, I have 3 files, right? I'm removing the tarball first. Okay, I'm having 3 files. I'm using command called tar-cvf. This guy we did, right? -cvf and tar file name and all files. Okay, when I do this, it is creating the tar file. It's creating the tar file. Are you clear till now?
Yeah.
And I'm trying to remove the all files. I'm removing this abcd, and when I'm doing tar-xvf file name, I'm able to untar it. See, you can see the files.
Yeah, it was like that.
Yeah, see -cvf for tarring, and we can use xvf to untar the files. I don't know why it's happening in that. So in the document, if you see, X option is to extract files, and V is for verbose, and F is for file name. Okay, so if you have any tar.gz files, you need to use Z option. Okay, so in tar command, what is the what is C for create, and V for verbose, and F for file, and X for extract. So these are the options that are available. If you want to create a tar file, you need to use -cvf and a tarball name and what all files. Let's say I have 3 files. I can tar it. If you want to untar it, you can use xvf and tarball name. That's it. I'm just using X option to extract the file.
XVF.
Yeah. So C for create, V for verbose, and F for file, and X for extract. Just remember this. Uh, and and
Sir, I have a doubt.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
for extracting, there is no hyphen before it.
no hyphen actually.
Okay.
So we forgot option called T. What is T? What does T do? For reading the content. Let's say if you want to list, we tried it, right? Tar tvf a dot tar. See, it just listed the content of a tarball. So T is for listing the content. Are you clear with the T option? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Repeat that again, sir, please.
Uh, T for exploring the what all files in the tarball.
Okay.
C for creation, V for verbose, and F for file name. Okay. So if you are creating, you'll use hyphen option. If you want to
Sir, I have a
extract,
small doubt.
yeah.
What is meant by verbose, sir? Like,
Uh,
can,
let's say if you want a descriptive explanation about a particular command, you can get that. So let's do that. Uh,
okay, in detail in
yeah,
execution, detailed execution.
purpose is nothing but extended explanation. Let's say I have a program running. I have an Ansible script running. If I run normally, it will give only a little bit explanation what all things that script is doing. Whereas if you
Okay,
give a verbose option, it will give in-depth log, like what all actions are happening in background. So
okay.
yeah, verbose option can be used. Let's try to use verbose option in here. See, it gave you even the permissions and entire file name, right? Let us remove the verbose option here. See, it just gave you the list of files. Are you clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, cool. So I think you're good with the tar command. And what else? Zip is done. Uh, so we have a command called ln. Ln is nothing but remember as if a link. Let's say in Windows environment, you want if you want to create a shortcuts, you can right click and create shortcuts, right?
Yes.
In this same way, you can create links in Linux environment. The perfect example would be let's say I have a system file like MySQL script. I want this process. I have these files in one particular directory, and I want to link this executable file to a newly created service file. Let's say we use service Jenkins stop or service Jenkins start, right, for restart a particular
Yes.
service. Instead of doing so, you can create a new file and link the executable file of a particular program, let's say MySQL or HTTPD. Uh, you need to know the perfect executable file, and you can link that file to your service file and use it as a shortcut, like service start start this particular file, and by using links uh, control the system files also. Okay. In this way you can create soft links and soft hard links. I'll explain you the difference between soft links and hard links. Let's try to create a link. Um let's first create a soft link. Okay. Um, ln. I'm trying to open a file. Okay. In here, I'm inserting some text and saving it. I'm doing ln a and let's say d. I have a file called created d, right? I just created a file called d. If I do ls-al pr, let's say do al. You can see that CentOS is representing with colored representation. Both are with some different color, right? If you view the D file now, you will have the same content. See, it's like a shortcut. Okay, if you have the same content, and if you see ls-i, see what does -i gives you? Anyone? I explained you in the first class. What does ls-i gives you?
Uh,
I.
It's the version, it's the index.
Yeah, the index
index.
is not only index, it's a inode number. Okay, inode
What number
number.
I
method?
know in the total
Yeah,
metadata.
it has the total metadata about a particular file. So in here, if you see the inode number of A and D, what was the inode number? Both are same, right? You can see, right? A and D has same
Okay.
inode
I know
number.
number.
We just created what link? When you do ln a simple ln and file names, it will create hard link. Okay, it will create hard link. If I delete, let's say, let me remove this rmd. Okay, when I do remove when I deleted that particular file, you can see uh, let me do ls-a. We're able to delete that file, and let's create once again the hard link. I'm creating hard link once again. I'm trying to remove one of the file like A. Let me remove A. And if I do ls-l, still I'm having the D file, and it has the same inode number. So if you want to create soft link is nothing but it'll when you do soft link, it will have a separate different inode number. You need to
Okay.
give hyphen s and s, I believe. Is that s? Yes, s is used to create soft link. So d is already exist. Let me remove the d, rmd, and if I create a soft link, and if I do ls hyphen I, you can see these two files have different index, right?
Yes.
This where is a file, man? I can't see a. I can see only a dot tar.
You have removed a file.
You are removed if I right?
Oh, did I?
RM arm space
Oh,
a.
Remy.
yeah. I just removed it. Okay. So
Yeah.
when I gave this, it took a dot tar. Oh man. Okay. Let's create a soft link between D and F. Let me do ls hyphen I. Where is this? B and F, right? It has a different inode numbers, right? Are you clear?
Yes.
So
Yes,
Yes.
if
sir.
let's try to remove one of the file rmf and do ls, still having the same file. It's kind of a shortcut. Okay. Um, let me go to some etc directory. etc directory and do ls-altr. You should have some soft links, like links here in these files. Where is no? Yeah, see, you can see, right? These are the links actually. This local time file is referring to users slash your my New York zone file. So you understood, right? Um, in system files, you can most of the time in order to create some service connections like shortcuts, you can have this you can use the soft links and hard links and do these things. Uh, the only difference is you'll have a different inode number in short link, and whereas in hard link you'll have the same inode number.
Okay.
Okay, and what else? Uh, uh, Try to explore the options that are available. If you got any if you're stuck in any position, let me know. I'll try to help you. Okay,
Okay.
guys. If you go to if I keep on explaining these options, you will forget the purpose of actual command. But
Yeah.
try to practice things, and then you can expertise it slowly.
Yes.
So what else? Uh, let's forget about this thing. I want to explain. So we covered all this thing apart from the server connections, right? I'll try
Yes.
to, yeah, I'll try to give one example this about this guys, and let's try to learn a little bit about VI. Okay,
Yeah, editor.
yeah, VI editor. Uh,
Okay.
when I open a particular file like uh, some file one, okay, you in your material, I think you have a separate file for VI, right? See, I just created a file. Are you try to open that file? Try to learn almost all shortcuts that are available in VI. Okay,
Okay.
then only you can use files faster and you can write code and you can navigate through all the files. Okay, uh,
Yes.
so these are the options. See, you have multiple options, and like you can delete certain text. You can go from starting to the end. You know, you can even run the SID and awk commands. I'll show you that in a VI editor. Let me show. So in here I have some text A B C D E F. Okay, I want to comment all these first three lines. What would be the syntax basically in SID when you're talking about SID? What would be the command?
Sed
SID, yeah,
space
space. Uh, First three lines I want,
minus,
not minus.
yeah,
1 comma 3. Let's say
1 comma 2 comma 3 S.
1 comma 3 would work. Yes, and I want to replace the starting of the line. What is the
Okay.
operator?
Cap.
Cap,
Cap
and give the hash command
Hash.
hash
and G.
Slash G.
G is
global
nothing global. If
file
you want
file.
to
File
do,
name.
yeah, if you want to do only once, you can remove the G. Okay, G is
Mhm.
for globally. You have to repeat all the entire file. Okay, so you know this syntax. So you can use the same thing in VI editor. Let me see. Let me show you. Like colon, I'm doing escape colon, and let's say I want to comment first three lines. 1 comma 3. You just no need to pass the SID command. You need to use this 1 comma 3 and substitute starting with
Cap.
hash.
Dash.
Enter.
No need of percentage symbol, sir.
No need. You can use this side.
Okay.
Percentage is
Yeah,
for,
okay.
no need of percentage. So you can see, right? I just replaced first three lines with hash. This is how you can use. And what else? Let me go. So if you are in top of the line, if you want to delete something, what is the, you can use a D. Okay. See, you do double D. Okay, double D for deleting a particular line. And if you want to undo it, do escape U. You would undo the text. Okay. You can use U for undoing. You got my point? One. Are you trying parallelly? Let me know if you have difficulties. Open a VI editor and try to delete it. What is a command to delete? Use double D. Okay, double D to delete a particular line. And what else? Let's say I want to move to line number 2. You can use colon 2. See here. If you do colon 2, it will take to second line. You can see, right? Just you went to second line and you can go to insert mode and do whatever operation you want. So you can use colon and respect to number like 10 or something. You can navigate through particular to particular target. And what else?
Sir, how to delete a total line?
Total line is nothing but, let's say I am in second line. You can use double D.
Okay. Escape double D. Okay.
Yeah, good work. And what else can I? Yeah, you know, right? What is the command? How you save the content in a text file? Escape
Colon.
WQ, right? Instead of W,
Exclamatory.
yeah, instead of WQ, you can
Shift
use
CZ.
X. You can use X.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
it will save the content. What happened? X, and you can't open. Am I in root directory or something? Yeah, I'm in Etsy directory. How can sorry. I should not create any files in Etsy.
We have to
Yeah,
home direct.
yeah. So yeah, here I have the text. I saved the content, and if I want to delete a particular line, double D. If I want to undo it, U. And let's say if I want to go to particular line, colon, a particular line number. You can go to a particular line number, and you have a lot of options, man. Even I didn't learn all the options that are available.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
When we go to VI, when we press the down arrow without pressing any alphabet or number, it manually takes some numbers automatically, like A or yeah, it takes alphabets. Why does it take that?
Yeah, you should not use down arrows, man. Like it has some constraints. You need to go to insert mode and then use the down arrow, up arrow. That's it.
Yes.
So you should not do without going to insert mode. If you do, it will show something like let's say AAC something. It will come like this, right? Some numbers. It will,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So rather than doing so, first remember that you need to go to insert mode and then do your operation.
Okay.
Okay. And what else? In WQ, what do you understand? Like W is for write, okay?
Right and quit.
Q for quit, okay? If you are not able to save, or let's say you are in system file, it is saying you can't do any operation, you can use hash, this thing, this mark, and you can exit from the file. So try to do test all these options that are available, like see U for undoing, you capital U for undoing all commands on one line. Oh man, lots of options.
Ras, I have a doubt.
Yeah,
I'm Krishna Chaitanya.
yeah, tell me.
So if you are in VA editor, so you have some text.
Yeah,
So you are at the end of the line. So if you want to go at the start line,
start of the line. You
yeah,
can
if you
go.
use Control A, it goes to start of the line.
Yeah, okay. And
So
to
then
go
let's
to,
try it.
you want to go to starting of the line, right? Let's see.
Yeah. So for example, if I'm at the end of the line,
Move
inside the
to
VA editor.
beginning of the line, right?
Yeah.
Middle, beginning. How can you basically try B, small b? Let me try in here.
Yeah, let's try it.
I'm at end of the line, right? When I do B,
Yes.
it is going to
Okay.
beginning, right? When I do E, it is going to end of the line.
Control B or
Just B. Do escape and use B and E. B and
okay. B. And for the end, E. Okay.
E. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
And what else? Mm, Beginning of the previous word. Let's say if you have words, let's try this. I have words. I want to go
Yes.
to beginning of the this word. Let's do shift B. See, it is taking beginning of the word. If I want to go to end of the word, you need to do shift E. Shift E.
Shift. Okay. Shift.
Yeah, shift E. This is how you can use. And let's say instead of using up arrows, you can use HJ option. H for side, K for up, and J for down, and
Yeah.
things like that. So H, J, K, and I think we have the options like this thing: H, J, K, and L to navigate through. H
So we
for,
have to do all this by pressing escape, right?
yeah, we should do everything by pressing go to escape mode and do
Okay.
H,
Okay.
yeah, J, yeah, all those things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I try to use X. Even I didn't practice using X. Rather than writing WQ, you can directly use X and
Yeah.
say, yeah, use X. So go through this file also, okay? And
Okay. Sure.
uh, to delete one character, you can use simply X, I believe. Let's say I'm in here, right? Let's do X in
Not
here.
not.
What's happening? Yeah. One character you can use X to delete. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, you just read this document. And it has a lot of options, and you
Yeah, we
can.
will go through those.
Okay.
Yeah, we will go through.
Yeah. So any doubts in today's class? Let me know. We can continue in tomorrow's class. Are you clear with all the comments?
Yes, sir.
Am I going slowly, or if you want me any suggestions that I need to speed up?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, sir. Sir, you not kept the last class recording?
Oh, I have it in my laptop. I need to upload it actually.
Yeah, and can you put the commands, the WordPad, like the commands what you have there?
Commands.
Yeah,
This
the commands list. Yeah,
this file
not this. Yeah, this file. Yeah.
this file you have already in your repo, in Git repo.
Yeah, we have.
Sir, I don't have the VI, sir. VI directory.
Where directory?
VI.
Raj, one thing, we don't have these files in the repo, the correction one as well as the VI editor.
Okay, I added this. I don't think you guys. I think I'll push those things into your repo. I'll push it. So you
Okay,
need the
fine.
VI and even the system files, right? I gave you the directories structure file system. Yeah, this
Yes,
is a
sir.
new file. I just recently gathered. To if you want to dig deep into all the subdirectories, what are the importance of bin? You can go through this file. Okay,
Okay.
I'll
I just
upload it.
pushed that
Those
file. Yeah.
links.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
push this.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you then.
Yeah, and
Could you please share the
yeah,
recordings
you
even?
Yeah, let me.
recordings, right?
I'll
Could you
upload
please share the
those.
recordings even?
Yeah, I'll upload those to YouTube now. I'll send it to you
Yeah.
today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
See you guys.
Thank you, sir.